Hi and welcome back. So after we have generated the data from this base table, we derive all the other columns, the data, right? So we wanted to do some analysis. How do we do it? So for example here, student with grade B, how do we count? So let's just say count if, okay, from the whole bunch of data here, the whole set of data, I want to get B only. So we have 6. Let's do a count, see if that's correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's correct. Now what if I want to get B or D, which means that B over here, I want to include D as well. So B or D. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, exactly 9. So what I can do is I can do, say, over here. In fact, I can do a copy of this. Okay, escape. Come over here, Control V. Next, let's see here. Countif. So range. Look for D. And you sum these two up. Sum of these two, that's 9. Of course, if you want to make everything concise, you can just put everything in one string of formula. So you total up, okay, you total up these two. Therefore, count if, this whole range, look for B. Okay, next, count if, again, this whole range. I think I missed something out here. Yes, this B here. Otherwise, it will be error. So let's just check. Okay, count if. Okay, maybe here is better. On the top, the formula bar. So count if. For this range B, look for B. Count if this whole range, look for D. So B and D in the same range. Sum them up. It's 9. So this one I can remove right now. Maybe I'll just leave it there, okay? In fact, I mean, this is a summary of the operation for this tree, okay? This is just to make things a bit clearer, okay? Break it down into small pieces. Now, student grade of B and chemistry, which means that I want all the B's over here plus the condition of chemistry. So only when it is chemistry and B I want to do a count. How do we go about that? So there is right now 2 conditions. Let's try. So since we have 2 conditions here to operate on, we can actually do this. Count if this whole range, same range, okay? We want to do an intersection, right? Count if it is B and this other column. Try to get chemistry, CHE. Oops, I think one missing here. Countifs with an S, plural. Okay, so there's only one, and that is correct. Okay, this guy over here. Countifs. So you have 2 range. each one with its own criteria, so only when they intersect it's counted. So that's for checking against string. We can also check against numerical range. So example, I want more than 60. I can do a count as well. Countif this H column is more than, okay, put it into a string, more than 60. Mistake over there. Let's try 61, 62. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct. And how about this one? 60 until 80. So that is actually a intersection, and it must be 60 and it must be less than 80. Therefore, we can do countifs. Countifs, this column, more than 60 and the same range, less than 80. I got 6. Let's see if that's correct. Okay, 1, 2, not included because it's 80, right? The upper bound. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, that is correct. And of course, I've only shown you the use of countif. Okay, countif and countifs, IFS. There are other functions such as, I'll just type over here, SUMIF. There's SUMIFs with a plural at the back, average, if, and average. So I would like you to explore this on your own. Okay? So that is all for this time around. Thank you.